Team JTL, and today we're here at Weiler Corp, and we're going to show you what's so cool about manufacturing.
Weiler Corporation was founded by Joseph E. Weiler in 1898. Joseph E. Weiler began manufacturing polishing brushes for the jewelry manufacturing industry in Germany. Their product has since evolved into being a metal abrasive tool, but their goal has remained the same: to be a global surface conditioning problem-solving company. The first part of Weiler's process is customer service.
We're going to take all the inbound calls from customers that have inquiries, expedites, or questions on our product. We enter their orders and hopefully get them shipped out on time for them.
Weiler Corporation's best-selling product is the Tiger X flap disc. The goal of the Tiger X is to be an abrasive flap disc that utilizes a combination of aggressive grinding and long disc life. The process for making the Tiger X starts with a slitter machine, which cuts abrasive material into multiple rolls. This rolled up material is then transported to another machine where it will be assembled. First in the machine, a backing plate is laid down to be the base of the Tiger X. Then, another machine puts a circle of glue to prep for the material. After that, an automatic machine cuts the abrasive material into very specific pieces and lays it on top of the glue. The flap discs then go into racks where they will be pressed, heated, and ready to go through a series of quality control checks. Next in the process, the box gets packed and prepped for shipping.
So this is the packing area. There's an arm that comes out and it grabs the box and tapes the box. After it tapes the top of it, it feeds down the conveyor and a label gets applied to the box.
After the final quality control checks are done, Tiger X is moved into the warehouse where it is ready to be shipped to customers.
Good morning, I'm Josh Knight. I'm the warehouse manager here at Weiler. These are our warehouse storage racks. Over here we store our finished good product. This is all saleable product ready to go to the customer. The rows of finished goods extend as far as you can see from this angle, and on the far side behind that we have 4 additional rows of the raw materials.
Then, the Tiger X is shipped to an end user to be used for pipelines and welding jobs. The process for making this product is very effective, but additionally, it is enjoyable for the staff here at Weiler.
My job is so cool because I have the opportunity to see manufacturing from beginning to end.
I myself enjoy the mechanical aspect of it.
I like my job.
And that's why manufacturing is so cool at Weiler.